Okay, I'm going to give you another update on this Polaris muffler for my Rzr. I put the cherry bomb on, and it did quiet it down quite a bit. Morning. And still, after a couple rides, it's still, I don't know, I just want to be quieter. So what I did is let's see here, I cut her back open again. I gutted all the stuff they had in it, which all it was a V-shaped thing inside there, that the exhaust hit and bounced back and then came forward and out the end. So gutted all that, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this a packable muffler, like on a motorcycle. I tore apart another muffler that I had, car muffler, a brand new one that I had. Dug the pipe out, and what I'm going to do is, where'd it go? Cut out some round circles. Now I got to cut the centers out of it yet, but these are the correct size to fit in there, and I'm going to cut the center of this out to match this. Okay, and then the other one will go on this end, and then your packing goes around this part of it, and then this will be welded to this, so that way when you take this, I'm going to make this removable on this end, and when the packing blows out, you can remove the end, repack it, stick it back inside there. So until I get moving here, I'll be back. Okay, we're going to try this again. Hey, this is high temp insulation that you get out of a regular range oven stove from in your house. If go to an appliance store and see if they have one that they'll give you, or you can buy it for scrap. It takes you like 5 minutes to tear them apart, and you can probably get, I'm guessing, at least 5 packings in your muffler out of one stove. And from what I read, this is a higher temp insulation than house insulation. This is like 2,000 degrees or something. Okay, here it is all put together. This is the back side. That's looking down in, and we got the crap out of it. Alright, get out of here. Alright. Okay. There it is. There's a piece that slides in, of course. It's all welded in down there. This slides in here after it's wrapped. And then it's 3 Tech screws and 1 mounting screw here to hold the weight. It used to be welded, now it's, the weight's right there on it. So I'm going to pack it with as much as I can of that, put some wire around it and slide it in, button it up, put it on the machine, and see how she sounds. Okay, this is idle. It's quiet. This is up in the front. Okay, I'm going to sit in it. Alright. Okay. This is sitting in the machine. You can actually talk to each other. I'm going to rev it up. Man, that knocked all of that harshness out of it. Wow. Huh. Now they're telling me if I put the other intake on it, that makes it quieter yet. That ain't bad. That's definitely quite a few decibels less than just the standard cherry bomb. Man, gutting it and packing it's the thing to do. Okay, it's all together. We're going to take a little romp through the yard. I'm going to keep talking so you can hear the noise difference. Here we go.